Okay, good morning, children. Here we will be learning the textual exercise. See the picture. What is this picture? This is flow chart. We call it a flow chart of different season. See what is written here. We will read it. Complete the flow, FLOW, flow chart about the clothes we wear in different seasons. Complete the flow chart about the clothes we wear in different seasons. Student, we have already learned. We are wearing the dresses, we are wearing the clothes according to the season. There are 3 seasons. How many seasons are there? 3. Summer, rainy season, winter. Okay, there are 3 seasons: summer season, rainy season and winter. So here what you have to do, which clothes we are wearing in summer season, which type of clothes, that you have to write here in the box and here in the box. This box is given, here you have to write which type of cotton clothes. We are wearing cotton clothes in summer, right? So which type of cotton clothes we are wearing in summer season. Here we have to write, see, one is given here, so we will have to write in this box. Here also, in rainy season, which type of clothes or what do we are wearing in rainy season, that we have to write in this 2 box. And here, what do we wear, which type of clothes we are wearing in winter season, that we have to write in this box. Okay, shall we start the exercise? Okay, see what is written here. SUMMER, summer. In summer, what do we wear in summer? We wear frock, t-shirt and top. So we will write here. So in summer season, we are wearing t-shirt, frock, tunic, top, shorts, skirt. So what we will write here? We will write here, frock is given, so we will write here T-O-P, top, and here we will write shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. Okay, so in summer season we wear frock, top and shorts. See the next season. Which is the next one? Rainy season. In rainy season, what do we wear? We wear raincoats. So we will write here rain coat. And what do we wear? Gumboots. We wear gumboots. See, gum boots, to keep our feet dry. We wear raincoat so that we do not get wet in rainy season, because in rainy season it rains. So if we want to dry ourselves, what do we wear? We wear raincoat and gum boots. Now see the next season. The next one is winter season. We feel very cold in winter, right? So what do we wear? We wear jackets, sweaters, pants, socks, mufflers, gloves and cap to protect ourselves from cold. So in winter we wear woolen clothes. Here muffler is given. So here in the box what do we write? We can write jackets. We can write jackets, and here we can write gloves. In winter we are wearing jackets, gloves and mufflers so that we cannot feel cold. So children, this is a flow chart about clothes we wear in different seasons. See, there are 3 seasons given here: summer, rainy season and winter season. In summer season we wear cotton clothes to protect ourselves from heat. In rainy season we wear raincoats and gum boots, and also use umbrella to keep ourselves dry. And in winter we wear, what do we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold. So children, this exercise you will have to do in your textbook. Did you get my point? This you will have to complete the flow chart about the clothes which we are wearing in different season. There are 3 seasons: summer, rainy and winter. And which type of clothes we are wearing in this 3 season and which clothes we are wearing, that you have to write in this box that we have already learnt. Okay children, this exercise you will have to do in your textbook.